Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about Spring Flower Seed Planting Guide. So there's all types of flowers that you can grow by seed. Pretty much any plant that grows can grow by seed. And so when you're planting your flower seeds, there's a few rules that you should follow. And there's so many different types of seeds. For example, these cosmos right here, you never want to plant your seeds until after the last chance of frost. And I usually wait at least 2 weeks to a month after the frost to plant them. And if you live in a warmer climate, then you always can plant them in the middle of winter, and then they'll come up in the spring. So most flower seeds should be planted 2 weeks after the last chance of frost. So a lot of times that's not till March or April, and that's in a temperate climate. If you're in a colder climate, you're going to have, like Alaska, you're going to have to wait even until May or June. And if you live in a warmer climate like California, then you might even go earlier than that and go into February, March. Flowers will start growing whenever it starts warming up at night. So you want to make sure that you're getting at least 60 to 70 degrees during the day here and there. And at that point is when I usually plant my flower seeds. You can always start them indoors and then put them outdoors later too, and then you can catch up a little bit and plant them earlier and have blooms earlier. But outside of that, there's not a lot you can do but sit and wait. And most flower seeds, you can plant them in the fall, you can plant them in the winter. They're not going to grow to their natural time. But there's so many different types of flowers that you can grow. For example, this is calendula, and it's best to plant right after the final frost. These are California poppies. The same thing, you can plant them right after the final frost. And with seeds too, flower seeds, you can plant them into late spring and early summer because a lot of them will bloom through the fall. So even if you forget to plant them or don't get to plant them in the early spring, you can always wait and plant them later. And there's lots of them. There's forget-me-nots. Black-eyed Susans are a great flower. Delphinium are great. And Liatris is also a really pretty flower. So there's not a lot of rules when you're planting your flower seeds. As long as you get them in the ground after the last frost, they will grow and you keep them watered, and then they will bloom all summer long.